So why is crypto better than Forex? Una sa lahat, crypto has already proven its track record multiple times over the years na nagpapump siya heavily 100, 5,000, 500, 1,000, 5,000 times. Hindi lang si Bitcoin, hindi lang si Ethereum. Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, it did a massive pump. Pangalawa, crypto investors are very bullish. Napaka-bullish nila kasi they see the blockchain technology rising in the future. So, it's already rising, 'di ba? Even sa bear market, we are seeing significant increase in investments sa crypto. So, kung napaka-bullish ng mga traders and investors sa crypto, then of course, we will have very strong support areas in the chart. Pangatlo, dollar cost averaging. Okay, it's been proven nga 'di ba na lagi nagpapump ng sobrang taas si crypto. So, sabihin na natin sa Bitcoin. So, kung meron kang 100,000 pesos, 'di ba? 100,000 pesos meron ka. So, every time na bumababa ng $1,000 si Bitcoin. So, sabihin na natin tulad ngayon, nasa siya, from 20k bumagsak siya ng 15k, 'di ba? So, kung bumili ka from 19k, 18k, 17, 16, tigwa 1,000 pesos. Okay, tigwa 1,000 pesos lang yung binibili mo every time na bumabagsak siya. Kapag tumaas yan, you are going to make significant amount of money kapag nag-pump siya. Pang-apat, you can turn small investments into fortune. So, ang story ko dyan, sa Dogecoin, I only invested $100. It went to $12,000. Then, sa Shiba Inu, I invested $200. It went into $45,000. So, napakalaki, di ba? Napakalaking pera. So, kung mag-i-invest ka in long term sa crypto, do it now. Alam mo yon, you don't have to put a lot of money. Di mo kailangan maglagay ng sobrang laking pera. You just have to put a little bit. Mag-DCA ka every time na bumabagsak siya. Like, wag mo ilagay lahat ng asset mo. Tiga lang. Maglagay ka ng 1% every time na bumabagsak siya. That's the strategy. Dollar cost averaging.